Well, hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Console, and today I want to see about the Vana Node Validator. So Vana has two types of validators. One is for the DLP that you create a token and deploy it, and using the token you will create a validator. And another one is the POS validator. For the POS validator, is a proof of stake concept mechanism. For it, you need to have 35,000 Vana token. So I asked the team, but they haven't started the program for offering that much of token. But we'll stay tuned for the announcement. So Vana raised $25 million from the Air One investors. The last stage round was led by the Coinbase, and the seed round was led by Polychain. And Paradigm also invested. Vana turns the data into a currency. It is basically similar like the ocean. So it is a layer one blockchain, which the users can be own data and they can earn the data that contributed to the AI model. Mechanism of the DLP is the proof of contribution. So you need to contribute to the providers so that you can earn the rewards. So today we're gonna deploy the DLP validator using the ChatGPT API keys. So you can go here and check the docs. So you can find the incentives about the node. So the reward structure of 17.55% of the FDV are allocated for the DLP reward. This is the breakdown for the reward. So the top contributors of DLP can earn 1% of the total DLP rewards. So that means to contribute to the DLP DAO as a token holder or any other POS validators like that, and also the stakers also included. So you can check it over here. So the requirements are for the DLP it's minimum, but for the POS validator you need to have at least a 6 core CPU and 8 GB RAM and also 100 GB of disk space. So if you haven't joined our Telegram, kindly join the Telegram, and also follow me on Twitter. Subscribe to this channel. A lot of people are viewing the videos without subscribing to our channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification icon so you get the notification instantly. I usually don't recommend the one-click setup, but the Vana is how to set up. So you may run into errors if you followed all the copy and pasting methods. So I just created the one-click setup for do not get into the error part. So you can read through it over the script. So for that, for your understanding, I created the explanation about the script. So you can read through it. So just you need to read through it because you need to learn about these things. Don't skip the video from here. Just watch carefully. After cloning the repository, in the directory, and make the script executable, and then start the script. So this will install all the dependencies, and it will followed by all questions. So it will prompt many questions that you need to answer. So watch carefully on that. So after setting up the dependencies, so it's processed to give the information. So the DLP name is nothing but your you need to choose your node name. So give something. I'm gonna give console 1, and you're also going to deploy some contract, that means token contracts. So give the token a name. Going to console 1, and the symbol is equal to C1. So there are two methods. Actually, you can find only one method, but I deep dived and also included the restore method. So if you have already set up the node on the might be removed from the one VPS and you need to set up by second VPS. So for that method you can use the restore. If you're setting up new, you can choose the first method. So I'm going to choose the first method, create a wallet. So this will create a wallet and show the mnemonic phrases. So this process will create two wallets. One is cold wallet and second one is hot wallet. So copy the mnemonic phrases and import it to your wallet. So any wallet can do, but I'm going to do with the Rabbi. Give you a password. So again confirm the password. So the next step is it will create the hotkey wallet. So same, copy the mnemonic phrases and import it to your MetaMask or Rabbi wallet. So you need the address. So side by side import it. Okay. So after creating both hot and cold wallet, import it into MetaMask or Rabbi and get the wallet private key. Just going to get the wallet private key. You will find here the password. You will be able to copy it and paste it here. Alright, and then same thing the hot wallet. So got the same. And the second thing is the wallet address. So first the cold wallet address, not the private key. Remember, messed up, you need to do it from beginning. Be careful on the steps. Okay, your hot wallet address. So and then you need to get one down the cold wallet address. For that, go to password and request one. I already requested on another wallet. So if you request one, you need to wait for another 24 hours to get it. So that. So before that, if you don't have the Vana testnet, so just go and add it to the wallet. So use the Explorer link. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see the add Vana testnet, right? So click here. It will automatically prompt. So I already have it. Just going to continue with that. Only after getting the funds, press enter. So don't press enter before getting the funds. So that's why I'm telling, watch the video fully before you see it. Yeah, I'm just going to press enter. So the DLP validator name is a name for your validator. To give anything you want to, and give your email address. It's nothing but the validator info. So then press 0. So just wait. So after that, it will deploy a contract address on your wallet using wallet. So the contract address and the token liquidity pool. So copy these things and save it in a notepad. Use this for next steps, right? Going to copy and save it in a notepad. So just wait for some time. It will update everything. So watch carefully on this step. So it is asking for data liquidity pool contract address. So this is the data liquidity pool contract address. The second one, right? Just copy it and paste it. It ends with FFB. And the token data liquidity pool token, the first one. So copy this, paste it. That ends with A10. And for this step, you need to go to this website, the ChatGPT website. I already have it. Let me show it. So if you went to the ChatGPT website, so it will ask to sign in with the Google or any platform that you are okay with. So always use the new platform. That means a new email address. Don't use your regular ChatGPT address. Okay, and then it will ask for phone number verification. So verify with it, and then it will ask for a name for your API key. So give a name and then click create. It will create a API key. So just copy that. So I'm just going to create a new API key. Not to created a new API key. So this thing is you need to send your DLP token address. So this is your DLP token address, which means the A10. You just copy it, go to your Abby wallet, enter password, and then on your cold wallet, not on your hot wallet, just paste the wallet. So click here on custom, put token, click Vana, okay, and then paste your contact address. So right, then click here. So it will import your contact address. Then copy your hot wallet address, okay, not the cold wallet. Go to custom network, type Vana, click Vana, then select the token that you deployed, not the Vana token. So the minimum is 10 tokens, but yeah, I'm going to send 10,000 in pay because I have like more than 700k tokens. So it's only a test token. I'm going to send it to my hot wallet address. Click confirm. So just wait for 30 seconds before pressing enter. Okay, the block will sync and the balance will get updated. So just going to press enter now. You don't need to worry about these things, it will automatically update it. So that's how the script works. I prepared it like that. So for wallet name, press enter. You don't need to give anything, just be default. So now the password you set for your wallet generation, right? So that enter the password. So the validator has been initiated. So you can check your address for progress on the Explorer here. You the same thing. Just press enter and press enter your password. So entering your password, it won't show. You need to type blindly, just because for the security purpose. And the service file also created. See, it is active. So with one click on just press Q, not anything, press Q, and it will show the logs. So I created the script that is how to set up the Vana validator. So for the effort on the time consuming process, please don't forget to follow me on the Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and engage on our tweets. Just retweet, join our Telegram group, has been supporting for a while, and most people watching the video without subscribing. So as a creator, that's not going to help me. Kindly subscribe and watch the video. So it will like this, but once your transaction will get through, you will see something like the transaction hashes like that. So like this. Also send some Vana to the hot wallet address. This is the hot wallet address. Send Vana. I'm going to send around to Vana the password. Vana has been sent. So that's why I initiate. Please watch the video fully before setting up the node, because sometimes I may skip some process and I mention it at last. So that's the thing. Always watch the video one time fully, and then you need to set up using the same reference. That's the best practice. So see, like this, after sending the balance, will get updating. So make sure you watch the video fully before setting up the node. So it will catch up like this. You will get a lot of no blocks or updating sleeping, but you will get in the process. So it's not an issue. Just wait for 5 or 10 minutes. You will see this transaction. That means your node is working. Before putting message in the group, make sure you wait for at least 5 minutes. Okay, just going to control C it. So if you want to check the logs again, use this command. It will open again. Okay. So if you want to stop the node, you will use the stop command. Again, if you want to start the node, you can use it. But this is just a useful command. So read through all this. Okay, before proceeding. This is the script explanation, because I don't recommend a one-click setup. So the Vana is hectic and how to set up. So that's why I made this a one-click. That's why I took time so much. So make sure you update for that. Okay, guys, that's it for today. So don't forget to subscribe, follow, and join our teaching. Have a nice day, guys. I'll see you guys in another video.